The question that we've been asked is like, hey, I have this new bot in uLaw called uLaw Answers Bot. What can it do more than just telling me how to do stuff within uLaw? The answer is, for the first time in the legal history, no company has done this, and uLaw is the first one that's actually taken AI to the next level, which is like, hey, can you give actionable action items based on the data I have, not just tell you what to do, but actually give you something more meaningful. For example, if you look at this matter, right, like Bobby Brown, we have closed this matter, but we've done a few mistakes. Like, for example, we got a retainer, we raised a few invoices, but never got paid. We forgot to completely get paid. And you can find that using the question mark button, but AI can help you too. So what I did was I went ahead and started questioning AI. The first question I asked is like, hey, what matter is associated with Bobby Brown? AI came up and said, hey, these are the matters I see that's associated with Bobby Brown. Next, I asked AI a question. Can you give me how much retainer I got for this? Immediately tells you, hey, you got $500 of retainer. And then it also tells you like, hey, maybe you want to do something with it. Then I asked it the next question, can you give me a full settlement for this, for this matter, right? Immediately it went and said, hey, you got a retainer, you raised this much invoice, the client owes you that much money, right? Like, it starts telling you all those details, right? Like, then I started delving into details of what's going on here. So $500 was the invoice, was the retainer. This was the invoice, and it even gives you the taxes. That's the total number of disbursements. And so that's why when you add this all up, there's still a $14.70 that can come beyond the trust money. And that's what AI is actually telling you. Then I asked the question, hey, how do I process a pending trust transfer? Because it suggested that. Then it told me that, hey, there's a pending transfer of $500 because when I add all my invoices and my disbursement, it's way more than $500, but I can at least pay myself. Then I said, hey, how do I go ahead and actually process it? That's when it told me how I can navigate in the matter panel and actually do all the statement. And it even suggested that I should, if I'm from Ontario, I should actually do Form 9A. The beauty of what we've done so far in uLaw is we've taken AI to the next level. We basically have said like, hey, take the data from you, ground it, and then use it with a natural language AI, like an LLM, to actually tell you not just what to do, but where you are.